Shiseido's Future Solution LX Intensive Firming Contour Serum features our exclusive Enmei herb extract for immediate tightening and sculpting. Place one pump of your serum into the palm of your hand and blend into skin, starting in the center of the face and using upward strokes. Dispense another pump into hands and sweep upward from the base of the throat to the jawline. Gently smooth the serum outward over the face and then along your jawline. Place both thumbs under your jawline and apply upward pressure starting below the chin and ending below the ears. Repeat this motion 6 times. Hold 4 fingers together and press the pointer fingers parallel to your nasolabial folds, or laugh lines. Then tilt fingers so they lie flat onto skin and sweep them upward towards the temples, pulling the nasolabial folds taut. Lift and repeat 6 times. Apply twice daily, morning and night, for an immediate tightening effect and smooth, supple skin.